In today's video, we're looking at a tool that has helped me save a lot of time every day from having to manually type anything that I want. We're talking about Whisperflow, a dictation tool that can really revolutionize the way that you interact with your computer. So what this is that we're gonna talk instead of type. And just give me a second, I'll show you how it works. So, hey, I want your help in writing a good title for a video I'm making on Whisperflow, a tool that helps me cut down a lot of time when it comes to writing and just have to dictate. So I just speak and it pretty much dictates everything. Please write me a cool title for that. And as you can see, it pretty much just clicked a button in my keyboard and voila, it pretty much wrote everything that I just said. It even did a little bit of tweaking and improvement. It processed it really quickly and then it spits it out, which is super cool. And you can already see how it changes things. So for example, when you're just chatting with someone or talking over Slack or over email, you can quickly type or rather dictate what you want to write, and then it pretty much writes it for you. And I'm not affiliated with this tool, but they do have a pretty generous, I think 2-week trial, which you can get and try. I actually just started with it. I think I'm about to finish my weekly trial or bi-weekly trial, and I think I'm definitely going to continue with it because I think once you get in, it's difficult to go back. And it's pretty simple. So all it is, it's actually like the keyboard shortcut that you have to activate, and then you can use it anywhere. But they also have this desktop app where you can kind of like see all the dictations that you ran, if in case like you want to get back to it. You can add dictionary where you're pretty much adding some specific words that you might be typing out and it might not sound as usual, and it actually adds them for you. So let's think of a word. Like let's try voila, for example. Voila. Let's see if okay. Voila. Okay, that works. Anyways, it's able generally, like if there are some specific words that are maybe a bit more difficult or can't think of anything right now, but anything that is a bit more nuanced, you're able to kind of like change it and then it saves it. So it's pretty useful for that as well. As I said, the main way I use it specifically is with my ChatGPT interaction, when I want to take notes, when for example, I want to write a message. So I have some thoughts and I want to structure them better. I just talk. So for example, here I'm making a video on Whisperflow and I really don't know like what to present or discuss. Can you help me just structure my thoughts around this? And what I do, I just talk out loud and then I let it write it. I help myself with ChatGPT to pretty much structure everything, maybe see some interesting insights or think through, ideate together. So it's a pretty useful way to just, interact with your computer by talking and not typing. And it's pretty addicting, I think, after a while. All right, I think the other way is just chatting in emails, which I really recommend you to just start using because that really helps you automate that as well and just get really quick with it. Cool, yeah, that was it for this quick video. I hope you could take some valuable insights from this and let me know how you use Whisperflow in case there's some other use case that I haven't thought of. But yeah, I think this is quite cool. Start using it. It has a pretty generous free trial, so go try it out. Let me know how it goes. Cool, thanks all for this video, and I see you in the next one.